How to instantly stop a migraine with salt. If you have ever experienced migraine, you are familiar with the fact that this is a terrible and painful condition that can take you down for the rest of your day. In some cases, the migraine can be really bad and even painkillers will not help to relieve the pain. So, what's the next best thing to use? Salt. How to use salt for instant migraine relief. As we said before, migraine is one of those things that simply ruin your life for the day. You will try everything to stop it, but it seems that it won't go away. So, today, we will reveal you a very effective method that has nothing to do with the conventional medicine. It worked for me. Salt, or to be more specific, Himalayan crystal salt is the most complete salt in the world. It contains 84 minerals, electrolytes, and elements. This is really a fascinating number considering the fact that there are only 118 elements known to science. This incredible salt can reduce the severity of migraine headaches, restore the body's alkaline and electrolyte balance, strengthen the immune system, balance serotonin levels in the bloodstream, and increase energy levels. Also, this method is very easy. All you have to do is take a glass of lemon juice with a high concentration of Himalayan crystal salt and drink it immediately. You will be amazed by the results.